Alright. There's the stand. 5:37. I shot a bear tonight. I'm gonna grab my arrow, walk over, see if I find the arrow. I heard the death moans. I think he went about 60 yards or so. Go over there, see if you can't find him. At least find the arrow. Wait for the guide. He was standing here. There's the arrow. Passed straight through. Alright, we got blood. And there's the arrow. He ain't going far, I promise you that. And was he chewed him up? Chewed him up. Sweet. We got good blood. He's definitely lunged. I lunged him. Blood. Blood there. Yeah, you run right up that trail. You won't be no problem to find.